So are equities expensive? Well, that depends on your perspective. They're a lot cheaper than they were in the heat of the tech bubble crisis of December 1999. They're more expensive than they were in December 2011 because we've had 5 very good years returns. And I think that if you look over the last 5 years, there has been a sea change. We do an estimated long-term future return. We update it every month, and it's based on what's called the dividend discount model, which is a classic method of calculating future returns. And we do it across all developed equities across the whole world by using the constituent parts of the MSCI World Index. Now, the estimated return from the MSCI World Index in December 2011 on that basis was 12.22%. The estimated return in December 2016 was 9.06%. Now, the difference is small, but over a long period, it has a big impact. And I'll put it in context for you. If somebody invested £100,000 in December 2011 at the forecast return of 12.22%, their 100,000 would after 20 years turn into just over £1 million. If you invest that money in December 2016, then the forecast return over 20 years is just over £560,000. Small difference in the estimated return, but a big difference in the projected future value. So, if you're investing today in the equity market, your forecast returns are nowhere near as good as they were 5 years ago. But as you've still got an estimated return of just over 9%, and inflation is running at 1.2%, and bond yields in the UK over 10 years are currently around 1.35%, then it looks reasonably good value compared to other asset classes. So in answering that question about whether equities are expensive or not, what you say is they're more expensive than they were in December 2011. They're a lot cheaper than they were in December 1999, and they're generally better value than other asset classes. And you've got a better prospect of maintaining the purchasing power of your money with equities than you have with bonds or cash. However, in return for that potential outperformance, what the equity investor has to accept is that on a day-to-day basis, a week-to-week basis, a month-to-month basis, the value of their capital wobbles. And we think you're going to get more wobbles for your return in 2017 than you did in 2016.